Okay, so guys, um, you're welcome once again on the platform, and in this video, we are going to fix network problem or network connection problem on TeraBox. So if your TeraBox is facing this, what you have to do is to make sure you have a strong internet connection. I mean, your data or your Wi-Fi that you're using to get it connected is really strong because when it slows down or when it moves from the strong part of it to the low part of it is going to have some issues. So you have to check that, and after that what you have to do is to check for the updates. To check for the update, go to your phone menu, then you just launch out to your Google Play Store app. So after that you tap on the search bar, then search for TeraBox, and after that just click on the TeraBox and check whether it's have been updated or not. So when it's not updated, you are going to see update. When it's updated, you're going to see open. So when you see open, just don't tap on it, go back and restart your device and just try it again. It's going to work perfectly. When it's not working, I'm going to teach you a different step additional to this. So when you can see update, as you can see on my phone screen, just tap on it and you're going to see pending over here. Wait for pending. It's going to move from pending to 0, and it's going to move from 0 to 100 as well. And what you do next is to go to the phone menu again. Then you have to scroll and search for settings. When you think it's really not working, I think this is going to make it work. So go to settings. Then after that, search for apps and notification or apps and preference. When you find it, just tap on it. After tapping on it, wait for it to load. You're going to see your apps or app list. Just tap on the app list or see your apps, and after that you're going to see your apps listed alphabetically over here in the app info. So what you have to do is to search for um the TeraBox app, and as you can see, TeraBox is around this place. When you find it, just tap on it and tap on notifications, because it's very important. You're going to get notified when there's something moving wrong, after that you check the permissions, then everything, make sure it's really allowed. After that, go back, tap on the first tab app and tap on OK. Then after doing this, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. You're going to see mobile data restrictions on other device. It's all the same. So you target it on, go back. After that, tap on storage and cache, clean the cache, and also tap on the storage. If you are, having things that are not that important, then you tap on OK. If you're having things that are not are really important for you, or if you want to just try to see whether it's going to work perfectly without tapping or clearing the storage, then just leave it like that. And after that, go to your phone menu, and I think you have to tap on your power button for some 3 seconds or 2 seconds, and you're going to see restart, reboot, and also power off and airplane mode. So you tap on the reboot or restart, and this pop-up is going to appear like this. Then you tap on okay. Some too, you have to wipe it down, or I think up, no, I think down, and it's going to get itself restart or reboot. When you have not seen all this, just tap on your power button for some 5 to 7 minutes, and no, seconds rather, and it's going to get itself off. And after that, you tap on the same power off, then it's going to get itself on, and everything is going to work successfully. Sometimes when your phone is crashing or lagging or something, having a problem, you have to just restart it. Some of you use your phones every hour. You're using your phone without getting it rest. You have to make sure your device is resting. Yeah, sometimes you have to get some hours for it to just get rest, because it's a machine. It's going to get tired when you're using it, and it's going to really mess it up when I get to a certain point when you're using it for serious things. So it's really important. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. If you don't have any question, then peace. We are out. Bye.